We're learning more about a series of Tucson area raids, what investigators found, and what UPS has to say. Thank you for joining us. I'm Pat Paris.
And I'm Valerie Cavazos. UPS drivers and supervisors were part of a scheme to distribute drugs around the U.S. That's the latest in an investigation KGUN 9 News has been following since a series of raids late last week.
9 on your side's Craig Smith is live at the UPS facility on Silver Lake with more on these breaking developments. Craig?
Well, this UPS site is a key part of this investigation. Up to now, we've been learning from court documents about a long list of defendants who are in on charges related to selling vape pens that dispense THC, the chemical that gives marijuana its high. Now, police close to the investigation say there's much more to this case, that it's about the infrastructure of drug dealing, how the drugs move. And now they tell us drug traffickers had 4 people on the inside at UPS. The raid by agents of Homeland Security and the Regional Counter-Narcotics Alliance offered a glimpse of a large mansion stocked with fancy vehicles. It was one of 5 locations searched as law enforcement executed search warrants in a 2-year-long investigation that netted 11 arrests. Property records say Raul Garcia Cordova owns the home. Arrest records say investigators found a load of marijuana stashed under his hot tub. They also say Cordova was the money man behind a large drug trafficking scheme. We know from court documents that some of the charges involve making and selling vape pens that dispense THC. But delivering the product has to be part of any drug operation. This UPS center figures into the investigation. Investigators say suspects not only used UPS to move large shipments of THC vape pens, marijuana, and money, but that 2 UPS drivers and 2 supervisors were involved in the plan and helped drug traffickers avoid being caught by UPS security. Investigators tell us now former UPS supervisors Mario Barcelo and Gary Love were among the people arrested, along with 2 drivers, Michael Castro and Thomas Mendoza. When we asked UPS about all of this, they responded with the following statement. UPS is aware of the law enforcement actions involving employees. We cooperate fully with law enforcement professionals and will continue to provide information as needed. We are not at liberty to discuss details of the arrest, as this is an ongoing investigation. Any further public information will be made available by law enforcement personnel. Now, we are naturally interested in seeing records that detail what investigators found when they executed those various search warrants. We learned today those warrants and their return information are sealed by court order, a sign they would reveal too much at this stage of the investigation. Reporting live, Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.